Hey there! Do you want to make over $100 a day without much effort? Sounds amazing, right? In this video, I'll show you how I made over $60 with just one app, and share 2 more apps that can help you earn in pure passive income. All you have to do is follow along and stay tuned until the end of this video. Let's go! Step 1. Visit Honeygain first. Sign up. To start earning with Honeygain, visit honeygain.com on desktop or in Google Play Store. Second, download the app. Take Honeygain with you wherever you go by downloading the app onto both your phone and computer. It's hassle-free and ensures you never miss an opportunity to earn. Next, start earning. Put your unused internet data to work for you. By sharing your excess data, you can start earning money effortlessly. Keep track of your earnings right from the app to see how much you're making. Lastly, withdraw your money. When you've reached the $20 threshold, it's time to cash out. If you prefer PayPal or JumpTask, withdrawing your earnings is simple and straightforward. It's your hard-earned cash, ready for you to enjoy. The app will utilize your internet connection with Honeygain, allowing you to accumulate Honeybee credits exchangeable for real money. By linking both your phone and computer to one Honeygain account, you can increase your earnings significantly. Your shared internet data aids in various tasks like SEO, ad verification, and content delivery, all without compromising your privacy. Honeygain requires no personal data and boasts high security, trusted by major antivirus software. A mere $20 is needed for your first withdrawal. Referring friends earns you extra credits, with bonuses for their earnings and first payout. Sharing your referral link can earn you substantial passive income. Remember to regularly share internet data to maintain your earnings, with bonuses available for higher data shares. Don't miss out on this opportunity. Sign up for Honeygain today. Step 2. Nielsen Computer and Mobile Panel. Now on to the second passive income app, Nielsen Computer and Mobile Panel. As the name implies, this application caters to both laptop, PC, and mobile devices. It serves as a tool for collecting market research data, aiding companies in their decision-making processes. Your involvement entails participating in market research, where your internet usage is anonymously analyzed alongside other users' data. This aids in enhancing various websites and online services. While it won't make you wealthy, it's a handy avenue for earning some extra cash online. To get started, simply click the Join Now button, provide basic personal information, and answer simple questions about your household and devices. Afterward, install the app on your smartphone or computer, and you're ready to start earning passive income. Rest assured, Nielsen prioritizes data security and privacy, ensuring your safety. Payment methods include Amazon, Google Play, and Starbucks gift cards, as well as PayPal transfers or Visa card payments, catering to various preferences. Availability may vary by country, so check if Nielsen operates in your region. Step 3. Ember Fund. Introducing Ember Fund, the third application in our lineup for generating passive income. Ember Fund is a mobile app that offers a unique opportunity for daily Bitcoin mining with just a single click on your smartphone. By simply tapping your screen once a day, you can initiate background Bitcoin mining without the need to keep your phone active throughout the process. This convenient feature makes it accessible and hassle-free for users to earn passive income from anywhere, anytime. What's more, Ember Fund is compatible with both Android and iOS devices, ensuring that users across different platforms can benefit from this income-generating opportunity. Whether you're using a smartphone or a tablet, you can leverage Ember Fund to start earning passive income in the form of Bitcoins. One of the key advantages of Ember Fund is its global availability. Regardless of which country you reside in, you can take advantage of this app to earn passive income through cryptocurrency. This makes it an inclusive and accessible option for individuals worldwide who are interested in exploring the world of cryptocurrency and Bitcoin earnings. In addition to passive Bitcoin mining, Ember Fund also offers various active earning opportunities. Users can participate in paid surveys, tournaments, and other activities to further boost their earnings. This provides flexibility for users who may be looking to maximize their income potential through both passive and active means. Furthermore, Ember Fund offers flexibility in how users can manage their earnings. Once you've accumulated $5 in your Ember Fund account, you have the option to hold on to your earnings or invest them in other cryptocurrency portfolios. Alternatively, you can choose to withdraw your earnings to any Bitcoin wallet of your choice, giving you full control over your finances. Overall, Ember Fund presents a comprehensive platform for individuals looking to generate passive income through cryptocurrency. With its user-friendly interface, global availability, and flexible earning options, it's a valuable tool for anyone interested in exploring the world of Bitcoin and cryptocurrency earnings. When comparing passive income apps, Honeygain emerges as the most advantageous option for several reasons. Firstly, Honeygain offers a seamless and effortless way to earn passive income online. By simply sharing your unused internet data, you can start accumulating earnings without any additional effort required on your part. This passive approach means that you can continue with your daily activities while Honeygain works quietly in the background, generating income for you. Moreover, Honeygain stands out for its versatility and accessibility. The app is available worldwide, allowing users from any country to participate and earn money. This global reach ensures that virtually anyone with an internet connection can benefit from Honeygain's passive income opportunities. Another key advantage of Honeygain is its low barrier to entry. With a minimum withdrawal threshold of just $20, users can quickly access their earnings without having to wait for a significant accumulation. Additionally, new users are incentivized with a $5 sign-up bonus, providing an immediate boost to their earnings potential. Furthermore, Honeygain offers a lucrative referral program, allowing users to earn additional income by inviting friends and family to join the platform. With bonuses available for both the referrer and the referee, this program provides an excellent opportunity for users to maximize their earnings through social networking. In terms of security and privacy, Honeygain prioritizes user data protection. The app collects only anonymous data on internet usage, ensuring that users' personal information remains safe and secure. This commitment to privacy is further reinforced by Honeygain's partnerships with major antivirus software, providing users with peace of mind regarding the safety of their data. In the digital world, we have embarked on a journey to passive income riches. First, we discovered Honeygain, where a click brought a $5 bonus and the chance to earn by sharing internet data. With $20, you can withdraw funds via PayPal or JumpTask. Next, we joined the Nielsen panel, effortlessly contributing to market research and earning rewards like Amazon gift cards. Finally, we mined Bitcoins with Ember Fund, earning by tapping your phones and participating in surveys. With $5, you chose to invest or withdraw your earnings. Armed with these tools, you conquered the digital world, turning idle time into financial success. As our story draws to a close, we invite you to embark on your own journey to passive income prosperity. Which of these methods resonates most with you? Share your thoughts in the comments below, and remember, for more tips and strategies on maximizing your earnings, subscribe to Profitability Plus channel. Happy earning!